Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to switch between dark and light mode on your Apple TV. It's a super simple process, so let's get right to it. First things first, make sure you're on the home screen of your Apple TV. Got it? Great. Now, scroll down until you find the Settings application. Go ahead and click into that. Alright, once you're in the settings, look for General right at the very top and click on that. Now on this screen, find the Appearance option and click into it. By default, your Apple TV will probably be set to light mode. But if you want to switch to dark mode, simply select Dark. Boom! It immediately changes. Alternatively, and this is pretty cool, you can select the Automatic option. This will automatically switch between light and dark mode based on sunrise and sunset. So, light mode during the day and dark mode when the sun goes down. Pretty neat, huh? Once you've chosen your preferred mode, dark, light, or automatic, you can just head back to the home screen and start using your Apple TV as you normally would. And that's it. That's how you change between dark mode and light mode on your Apple TV. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.